Would you pay $550 for $2,000 in membership rewards? $3,000? $4,000? How about close to $6,000? I'm going to show you how to do it. Let's go. Hey everybody, Brandon Boyd with The Brandon Boyd Show. Hope everybody's doing well. Don't forget to be awesome. Give us a thumbs up and a like. Subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell notification for alerts and any other button that you see on the screen for that matter. But for this video, you may think I'm a little bit crazy. You're going to say, Brandon, didn't you just do an unboxing video of a credit card not too long ago?
Damn right I did!
And it was for the Hilton Aspire card from American Express. But in this case, my wife got approved for the American Express Platinum card, and she got a pretty sweet offer, and I'm going to give you some clues and details on how to get the maximum offer on that card. But we're going to unbox it today, go through some details on what's going on with the card. If you haven't heard about the American Express Platinum card, it's all over the place online. People are freaking out about this limited time offer.
I'm freaking out right now, man!
And they should be for good reason. We're going to show you not only the perks, but the dollar value associated with those and the benefits that you'll be able to get. Now, I'm expecting a package to come anytime now. Again, I have a very good delivery person. They're always right on time. As soon as I stick my hand out, somehow, speedy delivery. Right there, look at that. Great service. I'm going to rip this sucker open. We're going to see what it's like to get the American Express Platinum card and see if it's worth all the hype. Wow, that was dramatic, right? Let's pull this bay up. Oh, wow. I'll tell you what, American Express, you really go above and beyond when it comes to, there we go, all the extra packaging you do. This comes in a very thick box, a nice gray, almost platinum colored box, one might say. And I'm going to do it again. You ready? There we go. And we're going to open this sucker up. I almost hate to unbox it. Oh, wow. Now, this is a very shiny platinum card. I'm going to cover up the name and the number there. Very shiny platinum looking card. I feel really special opening this. I feel like I've won a prize almost. And I am going to win a prize because I'm going to show you how to use all these rewards here in just a minute. I'm going to set that off to the side. And when you open this up, you open up the flap, you get this really nice brochure detailing your endless exploration. Imagine the possibilities. Feel at peace even when you're on the go, and make your travel more rewarding with a $200 airline credit fee, which I'll talk about here in just a little bit. And about 2 or 3 more other vouchers. You get a lot of stuff with this card, okay? I'm not going to go through every bit of this. Very nice packaging. Thank you, American Express. All your other paperwork's here up top, too, it looks like. They've really packed this thing full of stuff. But I do have to say I was kind of playing with this card a little bit. First of all, it's shiny. It's got some good weight to it as well, so maybe you could use this as a paperweight. If someone breaks into your home, maybe you could use this as a weapon and just... I don't know if you could do that or not. But it's got some nice weight to it. Very shiny, very premium looking card. I'm just covering up the numbers here. I trust all of you, by the way, but just in case, I'm covering up some of the numbers on here. But it's very nice. You know what? I think this card, this kind of sounds kind of silly. It may be a metal card. I don't know. And it sounds kind of fancy. That's what fancy cards sound like when they drop, I guess. I don't know. Now, first of all, American Express, and Chase for that matter, are killing it when it comes to lucrative sign-up bonuses with their cards. And this one is no exception. The American Express Platinum card offers a lot of benefits. My wife was able to snag 100,000 points in sign-up benefits if we meet the minimum spend. In this case, we have to spend $5,000 in 6 months. Now, typically with the American Express Platinum card, you have 3 months to do that. However, American Express may be feeling the holiday spirit, and they're giving you 3 extra months to spend that $5,000. And as a family with 2 growing boys and one guy that likes to eat a lot, myself, we should be able to hit that pretty easily, and we're going to be able to reap all the rewards from that sign-up bonus. So my wife was able to snag the 100,000 membership rewards sign-up bonus. The public offers about 75,000 points, which is not bad, but this one's even better. We're going to show you how to get that. Beyond the 100,000 membership rewards points, American Express is also offering 10 times points on grocery stores and gas stations within that first 6 months period, up to $15,000 spent. Now, that is not typical with this card. Typically, they don't offer multipliers, especially on the supermarket category, and that's where the American Express Gold card truly shines, and we can link that down in the description below. But just know you're getting a bonus here for the first 6 months on stuff you're going to buy anyway. You have to buy groceries. Why not get 10 times points, which is insane? This doesn't happen a lot in the credit card world. You want to take advantage of it now before it goes away. So think about that. 10 times points on $15,000 spent in those two categories. Let's do some quick math, all right? This is really important. So 10 points times 15,000 is, you can do it, Brandon, 150,000 additional points. 150,000 additional points on top of the 100,000 points you get up on the sign-up bonus is, oh, come on, Brandon, you can do this, 250,000 membership rewards points. Now, that's a lot of points. Now, what kind of value does that add up to? When we use transfer partners with airlines, we like to get 2 cents per point if we do everything correctly. That adds up to about $5,000 in total value for spending $550 on the annual fee. Huh. Would you trade $550 for $5,000? I don't know. That's up to you, but I just told you how to do it. It's right there. It's right in the palm of your hands. And even if you don't max out that $15,000, you may look at me and say, Brandon, I ain't spending $15,000 at the grocery store in 6 months. You're crazy.
Ain't nobody got time for that.
That's fine. Even if you don't max that out, even if you just do the sign-up bonus alone of 100,000 points, that's $2,000. So again, would you trade $550 in annual fees for $2,000? I don't know. You can do whatever you want, but I'm telling you how to max out this card, and I would trade it in a heartbeat. Now, before we dive a little bit further into is this $550 annual fee worth it, I want to point out exactly how to get this 100,000 point offer. First of all, look down in the description below. You'll see our referral link for this card, and we would appreciate it if you want to support the channel and use that referral link for this card. However, I will say this, if you click on our link, you will only get 60,000 membership rewards points, okay? I encourage you to get the most points available. When you come to this channel, you subscribe to the channel, I want you to know that we have your best interest at heart and we want to give you the best advice possible in getting these rewards. So you will only get 60,000 points if you use our referral link. We would appreciate it, but hey, if I were you, I would go for the most points possible. The public offer alone is 75,000 if you go on the American Express Platinum website. However, let me let you in on a little secret, and this is really good. My wife told me this, and I'm going to take her word for it, right? I believe everything she says. We were doing a little bit of research and noticed that sometimes when we went to the American Express Platinum website, it would pop up 75,000 membership rewards points bonus. In other cases, it was 100,000 points. And we tried to figure out exactly what was going on here. After her research, she found out that when she went into incognito mode or a private browser mode on, Chrome or Safari or whatever you're using, when you clicked on the link for the American Express Platinum card at the top of the hour, it would offer a 100,000 point sign-up bonus. Okay, that's great. But what happens 30 minutes later at the bottom of the hour? We did some more research on that. She looked at it, and it was offering 75,000 points. Really, really strange. I don't know what the deal is with it, but just know if you want to get that offer, click on your browser in Safari or Chrome. Don't be signed into your American Express account if you've already got it, and go at the top of the hour and see if you get that 100,000 point sign up. It sounds crazy. I don't make the rules. I'm just here to tell you how to get the most points possible, and that's how you do it.
This is how we do it.
American Express only offers sign-up bonuses one time on these cards, all right? So if you're looking for the American Express Platinum card, get the maximum amount of points you can get the first time because you don't get do-overs. Now let's break down some benefits of this card. First of all, we already talked about the 250,000 membership rewards points, which is awesome. We absolutely love that. But they're also offering $20 towards wireless service and $20 towards streaming services through the end of 2020. So that's $40 a month. Times 2 months left in this year if you're watching this in November. That's $80 here towards the end of the year. Free money. Monday. Again, helps offset the cost of that $550 annual fee. My wife absolutely loves this offer. Saks Fifth Avenue offers a $100 annual credit to shop there. Wow, sounds crazy, right? You get $50 the first half of the year and $50 in the second half of the year in January and July each year. And through the rest of 2020, we get an additional $50. So that's $150 to spend between now and the end of next year. That, again, is just free money. I'm sure my wife would probably spend the money there anyway, so this is actually helping me. The Platinum card also offers a $200 annual airline incidental credit each year, so through the end of this year, 2020, that's $200, and it renews again in January. That's $400 worth of airline incidental fees. We'll probably use those through Southwest. So there you go, another $400. The money keeps adding up, and we're going to keep moving. You know, surprisingly, we don't have any credit cards that offer any kind of credits towards global entry or TSA pre-check. In this case, with the American Express Platinum card, they offer a credit for a TSA pre-check application fee or the global entry application fee, which is $85 and $100 respectively. It's really, really nice. I'm going to have to get this myself, because if not, my wife is just going to zoom past me in line when we travel. I don't want to miss the flights or get left behind, so I may have to get on that. So this one I absolutely love. My wife is going to get a $200 Uber credit each year. And this also goes towards Uber Eats, which is really, really cool. They break it down into $15 a month, January through November, and in December, they feel the holiday spirit, they give you $35. So that means between now and November 2021, my wife is going to have $215, because we have the extra month there, to use towards Uber Eats if she wants to. We can get $215 worth of food, or we can actually use it for some of our travel when we're going on vacation. Again, all these extra credits add up to a ton of money. That $550 doesn't seem so big now, does it? Now, there are other perks and benefits to this card that don't necessarily have a monetary value that I'll assign at this time, but I do think it's important that we just run through them real quick so you're aware that they exist. You'll get 5 times membership rewards points booked directly through the airline or through Amex Travel. And as far as your hotel, you'll get 5 times points if you book directly through Amex Travel. We'll have those links down in the description, so check that out. It offers access not only to Priority Pass lounges, it also offers access to Delta Sky Club and Amex Centurion lounges. Now, she'll get access to bring 2 people with her. Now, we're a family of 4. We got 2 kids. I can't leave the extra kid out there. I've got to figure out a way to work myself into the top 3. I don't know how I'm going to do it. Maybe I need to apply for the card too at the top of the hour, like we just mentioned earlier. The card does offer Hilton Gold status, but if you'll recall, our Hilton Aspire card that we did an unboxing on a couple of weeks ago already gave us Hilton Diamond status. However, we don't have an upper status with Marriott. The Platinum card offers Gold Elite status with Marriott, so there's our chance. We're going to be upper level on all these hotel chains at some point if we get enough cards. Subscribe to the channel. We're going to show you how to get that. And there are a lot of other benefits with this card, and we'll leave a link in the description below with our referral as well if you want to take a look and maybe educate yourself a little bit more on everything that there is to offer. All right, so I had to pull up my calculator here a little bit. We've talked about a lot of benefits. So let's add up the potential value of this card over the next year. We talked about $5,000 just based on the sign-up bonuses and incentives up front. $80 plus $150 plus $400 plus $100 plus $215 plus all the extra benefits that we didn't even assign a monetary value to. That includes $5,945 in monetary perks by signing up for this card and taking advantage of all the bonuses. Whoa! Whoa! Close to $6,000 for paying $550 in annual fees. You tell me if that's a good deal or not. I can tell you what I think. This is a no-brainer card. Again, apply at the top of the hour for the card based on our little secret, right? This is just between me and you. Nobody else will know about this, just me and you. $550 for $6,000 worth of benefits. Snag it up while you can. This may be a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity offer with American Express Platinum. And again, you only get this offer one time with American Express on each individual card, so make it count and take advantage of these points while you can. So tell me down in the comments, are we crazy? Is she crazy? I don't know. We just unboxed the Hilton Aspire card a couple weeks ago that had a $450 annual fee. We just opened this one up in this video with a $550 annual fee.
Boy, have you lost your mind?
Are we nuts? Are 250,000 rewards points worth it? I don't know. I think we know the answer or we wouldn't have applied for it. Leave us a comment down below and tell us what you think. What would you use those membership rewards points on? I can tell you what we're planning on using it on. In 2022, our family of 4 is hoping to travel to Tokyo, maybe take in a little Tokyo Disney and then check out everything else there is to do in Tokyo. We're really excited. These membership rewards points are going to go a long way in getting us there. And make sure you stay tuned. We may post some pictures and video of us traveling if you subscribe to this channel. Subscribe to the channel, hit the bell notifications, give us a thumbs up and like on the video, and you'll be able to see us use our points in the future on travel. We may post some videos of those in the future as well. But we want to show you how to get the maximum benefit out of these cards, especially ones that have a high annual fee. Yes, there's a high annual fee, but there's a way to offset it and not only do that, but make money and hopefully you saw that in this video today. We really appreciate you checking this one out, and we look forward to seeing you on the next Brandon Boyd Show. We will see you soon.